Hello students, again I am here to discuss about the number system. In the chapter number system, today we are discussing about the binary arithmetic. As you all know that computers collect data in the form of bits. So all digital computers represent data as a collection of bits. So what is a bit? The question here arises, what is a bit? Bit is the smallest unit of information that is collected in the computer. That is, computer only understands the binary digits, that is 0 and 1. It can be of two states, as we have already discussed it in the earlier videos. So it can be of two states, on state and off state. On state represents 1 and off state represent 0. Data is converted into the binary language for processing given by the user. It means that when the instructions are provided to the computer given by the user, the computer converted that instructions or data into the binary language. That is, it uses it in the form of 0 and 1. So all of these data which you have given to the computer in the form of 0 and 1, that is the binary digit, there are several operations that involves processing, such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and etc. on binary numbers. So here, as given in your book, the binary arithmetic operations. So the first operation in this row is binary addition. The simplest arithmetic operation in binary arithmetic is the addition. All of you do addition in the mathematics also. So adding two single digit numbers in the binary arithmetic is very easy and simple, as you do it in mathematics also. So first consider this table, binary addition. All of you see here, there are two numbers. Suppose first number is A and second number is B, and you have to add these binary numbers. So A plus B equal to S, and when you add these numbers, then all of you see you have to carry some numbers which you have already do in mathematics also. So when 0 plus 0, it gives 0 in the binary arithmetic. Then 0 plus 1 equal to 1, and 1 plus 0 equal to 1, and the main addition is 1 plus 1, it gives result 0, but it carries 1 to the other number. So you have to remember this table, this binary addition table, as 0 0, it gives 0 and carry 0, 0 1. In mathematics also 0 1 equal to 1, 1 0 equal to 1, and 1 1 equal to, on addition, gives 0 and it carry 1. One more fact you all have to know, that when you add more than 2 rows, 1 plus 1 plus 1, there are three binary numbers, 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 1, and carry 1. So when three binary numbers 1 plus 1 plus 1, it gives the result 1 and 1 is carried forward to the next number. So all of you see here example of the binary addition. So this is the binary number, and first binary number is 5. That is the decimal version of binary number, which is 0101, and the next decimal number is 3, whose binary conversion is 0011. You have to add these numbers here. So all of you see the result, 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 in binary addition, 1 plus 1 equal to 1 plus 1 equal to 0. So here you got 0 and 1 is carried to the next number, next row. Now 0 1 0 1 as given in the binary table, 0 1 equal to 1, and 1 plus 1, because 1 is carried here, so 1 plus 1 again 0, then 1 is carried forward to the next row. Here 1 0, it gives 1, and again 1 is added, which is carry from the previous one. So 1 plus 1 again it gives the result 0, then 1 is carried to the next row. Here it is 1 here, and you get 0 0. So 0 0, it gives the result 0, but 1 is carried forward to this row, so 0 1, which is equal to 1, so it gives the result 1000. Here you see more clearly, here 1 and 1, 1 plus 1 in binary gives 0, and 1 is carried forward on here. This one is add to this number, that is 1 plus 0, with 0 which is equal to 1, and this 1 is again added to 1, so 1 plus 1 equal to 0, and carry forward here 1, and this one is added to this one, and this 0, 1 plus 0 equal to 1, and this 1 is added to again in the 1, which is equal to 0, and carry forward here 1 again, and this one is added to these zeros. So 0 plus 0, which is equal to 0, and 0 plus 1, which is equal to 1. So the result is 1000, that is 1000, and in the decimal conversion it becomes 8. Okay, so I think when you consider the table, you can easily, when you consider this table, you can easily do binary additions. Now the next is binary subtraction. Here are also some rules of the binary subtraction. Subtraction is generally simpler than addition, since there are only two numbers which are involved, and the upper value is greater than the lower value. Or if you see in the subtraction, as in the mathematics also, upper value is generally more than the lower value. Here when you subtract 0 0, it gives 0, 0 minus 1, which is equal to 1, 1 minus 0 equal to 1, and 1 minus 1, which is as usual 0, and it borrow also 0 0 0 0, 0 1 1 borrow 1, 1 0 1 borrow 0, and 1 1 0 borrow 0. All of you see this example. You have to compute as given in your book. 1110, it is a binary number, minus 100, it is also a binary number. So 00, it gives result 0, and 10, it gives the result 1, and 1 it gives the result 0, and 1 as usual is given, so it can be written as 1, so the result is 1 0 1 0. This is simple binary subtraction. Now come to the binary multiplication and division. So here are some rules of the binary multiplication. Here you see in the binary multiplication, as it can be achieved in a similar way as you multiply decimal values in the mathematics using the long multiplication method, that is multiplying each digit and in turn then adding the values together. Now you see binary multiplication and division. Here are the rules of the binary multiplication. When 0 is multiplied by 0, it gives the output 0, 0 1 0, 1 0 0, and 1 1 1, as you can do it also in the mathematics. In the binary division, all of you see, when 0 is divided by 1, it gives the output 1, and 1 divided by 1, it gives 1. Division by 0. So when any digit is divided by 0, it is meaningless. Okay. So as when you apply these rules in the binary multiplication and division, you get the result. So all of you see this example of the binary multiplication. Binary multiplication. Here you see 1101, which is the binary conversion of the decimal number 13, and 1011, which is the binary conversion of the decimal number 11. Here you see binary multiplication. 1 multiplied by 1, it gives the result 1. 1 multiplied by 0, it gives the result 0. 1 multiplied by 1, it gives the result 0, and 1 multiplied by 1, it gives the result 1. So 1 1 1 0 1, as it is given. Here again binary multiplication is even easier than decimal, because we have either multiplication by 1 or 0 in the intermediate sums. Now you see again, when 1 is multiplied by 1, it gives the result 0. Then 0 is multiplied by 1, it gives the result 0. Then 1011 and 1011, 0 0 0 0, 3 times 1011, and when 0 is multiplied to the 1101, then it gives the result 0 0 0 0. So when you add these numbers, you applied the binary addition and you get this result 1 0 0 1 1 1 1, and when you convert this to the decimal notification, it gives the result 143. Now come to the binary division. See this example. Binary division. Divide the binary number a, that is 1011 1010 divide by 10, that is 10. So all of you see 10, that is 10 when divides 1010, then as 1 going by 10 it gives 10, then the result is 0 0, it gives the result 0. Then this 10 you write here, then it is 0 1 0. Then you write here 0, then you write again here 0, because when you write here only 1, it neither divides by the 10, so you have to carry forward this 0 also. So you write here 0 and write this 0 also, then 10 by into 1 gives the result here 10, and when you minus these numbers it gives the result 0. So 1010 on dividing by 10, it gives the result 101. All of you see this example in this all of you see this example in this figure. So as you see, here, when this 10 is divides this 1010, then 10 by 1 it gives 10, then the result is 0. When you carry forward this 1, then it doesn't go by this 10 because it is 0 1 only. So you write here 0 and write this 0 also here, and it becomes 0 1 0. So it goes by this 10, then this 10 into 1 it gives here 10, and when you minus this number it gives here 0. So this is the result of 101, which is the binary division of this number, and gives the result 101. This is all about the binary arithmetic, division, addition, multiplication and subtraction of the binary numbers. So this is all about the first chapter, that is the number system, given in your book. If you have any query about this video or any query about this chapter, you can also contact me on my WhatsApp number.